It is a tuned BMW M340i X-Drive. Hello, thank you. This is a green M340i, Oxford green, but it's not crazy, which is good. Oops. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today we've got a car we've been looking forward to for quite a while. It is a tuned BMW M340i X-Drive. And you might remember that a few months ago we drove a tuned BMW M5 by Aulitzky tuning with over 800 horsepower. Well, this is their other car. This is their 505 horsepower BMW M340i tuned by Aulitzky. And well, today I'm going to show you around it, show you all the cool stuff on it. Then we'll take it for a drive towards the Autobahn for an Autobahn blast. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to receive updates when we upload a new video. And check us out on Instagram if you like, at AutoTopNL. Now let's start with the spec, because, well, you guys know I like me some green cars, and this is a green M340i, Oxford green. What a beautiful, please stop locking. What a beautiful color on this car. I think it looks absolutely amazing. And he also went for the black and performance grille. As I said in my M340i review, if you go for an M340i, please go for this grille, because it improves the front end by so much. It makes it so much more aggressive and better than the shower curtain grille, which it just doesn't look good. Another upgrade is the fact that he put this M Performance front splitter. Well, it's basically two little splitters on carbon fiber, which looks really nice and aggressive. It really fits the front of this car well. Now, another upgrade, Yido Performance forged two-piece wheels, which are made to order and are 20-inch, absolutely beautiful structure, that brushed steel, really nice. Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires as well, of course, 225s at the front, 20-inch, as I said. We've got carbon fiber mirror caps, a little side skirt by M Performance as well. And at the rear we've got 255s, and you can see that the rear wheel is a little bit more dished as well. But check out that lowering. This car has a KW V3 suspension kit, and that is very snug. But Jonas, the owner, told us that he doesn't really experience any rubbing of the wheel well, so quite surprised, because that car sits very low. At the rear we've got a little carbon fiber ducktail spoiler, really nice. Gives the rear end a very nice aggressive look, especially with that Aulitzky exhaust, 4 tailpipes, and the carbon fiber and performance diffuser insert, also pretty cool. Yeah, I really like the combination of that carbon fiber with that green. Such a good combo. Oops. Yeah, I really like the look of this car. You guys, let me know in the comments what you think. I think it looks really nice and aggressive, and yeah, it's a nice M340i. The freaking car keeps locking and unlocking. It's quite annoying, but we'll power through. Alrighty. So, we've got the B58 stock 374 horsepower and 500 newton meters of torque from this 3-liter inline-six single twin-scroll turbo engine. But now with this Aulitzky tune, it's got 505 horsepower and 720 newton meters. He's got that Aulitzky exhaust from the OPF, and he's got an Aulitzky downpipe as well, all TÜV approved, so it still has a catalytic converter. It's a little bit louder and a little bit deeper than stock, but not by much. But it's a good daily driver setup. Because of course, you know, the M340i is such a cool daily. It might be the perfect daily actually, because do you really need more than an M340i? I don't know, I don't think so. On the interior we've got a nice pack as well, with that black wood, which has that grain in there, which is really nice. And well, other than that, you guys have seen all this before. We'll start it up. you can hear that it is a little bit louder than stock, but it's not crazy, which is good. All right, let's take it for a drive. We'll go for Sport Plus, of course, and Sport for the gearbox as well. Turn off traction control, because we've got that MX drive which sends most of the power to the rear wheels. But you can hear that, you know, it's nothing crazy sound-wise. Now the KW V3 suspension is quite hard, I have to say. We drove on a B road towards this place and it was absolutely shattering my back. It was so freaking hard. Jonas, I don't know how you do it. I don't know what kinds of road you drive every day, but it is quite firm. On the Autobahn though, it's actually better. So it's really those short irregularities, those little bumps. That's when you really feel that this car has been lowered by so much, that it has the KW suspension and of course the 20-inch wheels with those skinny tires. On the Autobahn though, it's absolutely fine. And the power, well, it feels strong, it feels torquey, it definitely feels a lot faster than the stock M340i. But I'm not sure it feels like 505 horsepower, to be honest. You can feel that when you shift gears, when you shift up, the power dips a little bit after the shift. So it doesn't feel like the stock M340i, which has this surge, this unrelentless power delivery from like 2000 to 6000 RPM. This has a little bit of trouble with those shifts, especially when you have the throttle completely down. You have this little dip, this little pause, which is a little bit weird. It means that it doesn't feel as powerful as it maybe is, if that makes any sense. But those tires combined with this MX drive system, it has so much grip. I mean, it's really difficult actually to get this car sideways. I mean, if you push it, you can totally do it, but with like regular speeds, it's quite difficult actually. Okay, here we are at the Autobahn. Let's see what we can do. We'll put the car in sport and traction control in MDM mode. Speedo cam on. We've got the new dials of probably a BMW M8. As you can see, it will go to 330 kilometers an hour. The regular one, M340i, is limited to 250 kilometers an hour, and you don't have an option to raise that with the M Performance version of the 3 Series, which is a shame because 250 is quite easy for an M340i. Okay, here we go. Full throttle. Now, it's quite a quick car, of course, obviously, with this power. And as I said, I'm in Sport Plus mode right now, and it's absolutely fine on the Autobahn. It's like at higher speeds, the suspension settles in and is more able to soak everything up than at lower speeds. Performance-wise, speed-wise, that's 279, 280. I'm not convinced it has 505 horsepower, to be honest. Jonas also told us that he felt that when he had just a stage 1 tune, the run to 300 kilometers an hour was quicker than it is now, which is weird. And well, I can imagine, because it doesn't feel that fast. I was expecting it to be faster. It is fast, of course, 9.04 seconds from 100 to 200, which is seriously quick. I'm just not sure it's 505 horsepower quick. From 0 to 100 we measured a 3.86 second run, which is really quick. The stock car does 4.4 seconds according to BMW, but we've measured it at 4.3, so that is a really good increase. He said, well, the heavens came down and the top speed run was over. So 280 kilometers an hour, not bad. 3.86 seconds to 100 is seriously impressive. But maybe Aulitzky should take another look at the car, because I don't know if it really delivers 505 horsepower. Other than that, I absolutely freaking love this car, because it is so nice and smooth and such a good daily driver. The 3 Series base, the chassis, the setup is so freaking impressive and enjoyable, and it has absolutely no problem handling this kind of power, which is, hello, thank you, which is really impressive as well. And when you drive it at like 80%, it seems like the gearbox or the ECU or whatever has a little less trouble with it, because then the shifts are a little bit quicker. But the way it gets up to 250 is quite easy. Okay, we're going to get off here, I think. Yep. So I'm going to end the review here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You can subscribe by clicking the big button right there. You can also check out this video or go check out this playlist. See you at the next one. Bye.